Did you know that the UAE's 1,000 dirham note isn't just a piece of paper, but a science miracle? Starting from polypropylene pellets, a journey to the Mars mission, and the world's most advanced security features. How is this note made? Let's watch in this cinematic documentary. The United Arab Emirates 1,000 dirham polymer note is not just money, it's a masterpiece of science, security, and national identity, carefully built layer by layer through a process so precise it feels almost futuristic. And it all begins in a place that doesn't look anything like a bank, but more like a high-tech industrial complex, where tiny, translucent polypropylene pellets are transformed into something extraordinary. These small plastic beads are the foundation of the entire note, and through a process called biaxial orientation, they are stretched under heat and tension in two directions at once, forming an ultra-strong, crystal-clear film known as BOPP, or biaxially oriented polypropylene. This transparent film is where the journey truly begins. At first it's completely clear, flexible, and almost invisible, but soon it undergoes a transformation that turns it into a secure banknote substrate. Special coatings are applied to make most of the surface opaque, giving it that familiar, solid appearance, while carefully designed areas are left transparent. These windows are not just for aesthetics, they are powerful security features. One of them is a circular window that will later reveal the portrait of Sheikh Zayed, visible from both sides, and another is reserved for a stunning foil stripe that will carry intricate optical effects. And even before any ink touches the surface, the note is already becoming something unique. What makes polymer notes even more fascinating is their durability and sustainability. Unlike traditional cotton paper banknotes, polymer notes last significantly longer in circulation, resisting dirt, moisture, and tearing. This means fewer replacements are needed over time, reducing overall environmental impact. They also remain cleaner, smoother, and more hygienic, which is especially important in a world where banknotes pass through countless hands every day. The UAE's decision to adopt polymer technology reflects not just a focus on security, but also a commitment to innovation and sustainability. Once prepared, these polymer sheets are securely transported to the UAE's own high-security printing facility in Abu Dhabi. That's where the real magic begins. Inside this facility, every detail is controlled, every movement monitored, and every step documented. The design itself is a story of the nation, combining heritage with innovation. On one side you have Sheikh Zayed, the founding father, alongside symbols of space exploration, like the Hope probe, representing the UAE's journey beyond Earth. On the other side, the Baraka nuclear energy plant stands as a symbol of sustainable progress and technological ambition. Before printing starts, massive steel plates are engraved with microscopic precision. These plates hold the designs that will later rise from the surface of the note as raised ink. The level of detail is incredible, down to the finest lines of Sheikh Zayed's portrait and the smallest structural elements of the spacecraft and power plant. These engravings are not just visual, they are tactile, designed to be felt as much as seen. Skilled engravers and advanced laser systems work together to create plates that are both artistic and functional, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The first major feature applied to the blank substrate is the kinogram foil stripe. This is not just a shiny strip, it's a complex optical security element that changes appearance as you tilt it. Using heat and pressure, this foil is stamped onto the note with perfect alignment. Inside it, an astronaut appears, shifting in color and form depending on the angle. What makes it even more fascinating is that it's visible from both sides of the note, thanks to the transparent structure beneath it. And to this dual visibility adds another layer of security that is extremely difficult to replicate. Next comes the background printing, where soft brown tones and intricate patterns are applied simultaneously to both sides of the note. At this stage, the design starts to appear, but it's still completely flat, with no texture. The portrait areas are empty, waiting for the next step that will bring them to life. The patterns themselves are highly complex, made up of fine lines and geometric shapes that are nearly impossible to copy accurately without specialized equipment. That step is intaglio printing, one of the most important and recognizable features of any high-quality banknote. Thick ink is pushed into the engraved plates, and then the surface is wiped clean, leaving ink only inside the grooves. Though when the polymer sheet is pressed against the plate under immense pressure, it pulls the ink out, forming raised ridges on the surface. This is what gives the note its distinctive texture. Suddenly, Sheikh Zayed's portrait is no longer just an image, it's something you can feel. The same process is repeated on the reverse side, bringing the Baraka nuclear plant into sharp, raised detail. This tactile feature also helps visually impaired individuals identify genuine notes. After that, another advanced feature is added, known as spark flow technology. This creates a color-shifting effect on the number 1000, moving from gold to green as the note is tilted. It's not just a simple color change, it has a sense of motion, almost like the number is flowing or shifting in real time. This kind of feature is extremely difficult to replicate, just making it a powerful tool against counterfeiting. Combined with the foil stripe and transparent windows, it forms a multi-layered defense system. Then come the serial numbers, each note receiving its own unique identity. One is printed in red, vertically using Arabic characters that glow under ultraviolet light, while the other is printed horizontally in black magnetic ink, allowing machines to read and verify it instantly. Even the smallest details are designed with purpose, including tiny raised dots that help visually impaired users identify the denomination by touch. These dots are simple, yet incredibly effective, showing how accessibility is integrated into the design. Once all these elements are in place, the notes go through an intense inspection process. High-speed machines scan every single detail, checking the alignment, the colors, the textures, and even how the note reacts under ultraviolet and infrared light. If anything is even slightly off, the note is automatically rejected. Only perfect notes move forward. This level of quality control ensures that every note in circulation meets the highest standards. After inspection, large sheets are cut into individual notes with razor-sharp precision. For the first time, the finished banknotes appear as separate pieces, each one carrying the full combination of design, technology, and security. They are then counted, bundled, and packaged under strict supervision. Ready to be delivered to the central bank. Each bundle represents a significant value, handled with extreme care and security. From there, the journey continues as the notes are distributed across the country, loaded into ATMs, handed out at banks, and eventually placed into the hands of everyday people. What started as tiny plastic pellets has now become a symbol of trust, innovation, and national pride. The transition from raw material to finished currency is not just a manufacturing process, it's a transformation of value itself. As these notes enter circulation, they become part of daily life, used in transactions, saved for the future, and passed from one person to another. Yet behind every exchange lies a hidden story of engineering brilliance and meticulous craftsmanship. Each feature, from the smallest line to the most advanced optical effect, plays a role in protecting the integrity of the currency.
This batch is complete.
And the next time you hold a banknote like this, take a moment to look a little closer. Tilt it, feel it, examine the details. Because hidden within that small piece of polymer is a story of engineering brilliance, artistic craftsmanship, and a nation that has mastered the art of turning science into something you can hold in your hand. It is more than just currency. It is a reflection of progress, ambition, and the future of money itself.